Hi, and welcome to my channel, Collectibles for Resale. My name's Charisma, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing of the January Geekfuel mystery subscription box. I thought I had canceled it. I just wanted the Christmas one this last time. I've had it before in the past. They've gone through some changes. They had different price points, and they kind of went trying through different things, seeing if they should give more cheap items or fewer more expensive items, and I think they've kind of settled on a mix now. I just have so many other things going on. This is probably going to be the last one for a little bit. If I see like a spoiler, partial spoiler for like what's going to be in something and I want it, then I might. I like to look at these videos and see once somebody has unboxed it, and if it's still available that month, then if it's stuff I want, I will go ahead and buy it if it's still available. So this is kind of just for fun and education, and if you decide you might want to buy the box either for resale or for yourself, this will give you an idea. I can try it out and you can see if you still want to buy it. So I'm going to go ahead and get to it. I know I've got like personal info on one side, so I'm just going to like click the tape. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, we're going to turn that this way. That way my personal info isn't there. All right. And so here we have our cute little box. That's their icon robot kind of dealie. So this is good to just kind of really do the mystery box. I'm not going to see what's in it. So this is the Cine-Magic edition. I believe the backside is the spoiler card. I'm not going to flip it all. Yeah, okay. So without looking at it, that's what it is. It's the January, I don't know, it says take 2021. So I guess it's stuff that happened in the past year, maybe? I don't know. Okay, so first thing we have, now, this is not the Christmas box because I had the Christmas box and it had a Christmas shirt and some other stuff, but it has a Christmas item, which is, not thrilled about that. But, so we've got, yeah, from vacation, the Christmas vacation, the moose mug ornament. So that's cute. I know there are big fans, kind of cult following that heavily collect things. I know there's like one Hallmark ornament that's worth a ton of money. I think it's the old RV, but never come across one. So that's cute. I wouldn't keep that because I'm not into it, but it's cute. Okay, now the shirt I might keep. I like this. Let's see. Okay, so it's a Goonies. Never Say Die. There's the skull pirate. And got the kids. We've got Sloth down at the bottom. And just a cute couple of things from the movie. This key, some jewels. Oh, yeah, I'm probably going to list this one. I wasn't sure what it was. I saw pirates. I love skulls, and I love Halloween is like my Christmas. So, okay, let's see. Geekfuel cruise socks. Okay, these are cute. Let's see. They're gremlins. Obviously, they're gremlins. And again, this is like a Christmas theme. I don't know why they're sending this in January. I guess they had too much. That I don't like, when you get something, it's, the next month and it's something old or something, that should have been from the prior year. I don't feel, there's something on the bottom. Let's see. Let me try and pull it out. I can't. It's really shoved in there. Okay, now this I like. I may possibly keep this depending on if these have any kind of high resale value. But Reaction, I know I've had some before, and I think they retail for between 15 and 20. This box cost me, I got the December one on a special, and I think I paid like 29 shipped. This one was more. I saw I got charged like 38. So based on this, I would say I can maybe get 10 for the shirt, maybe 5 for the socks, maybe 5 for that. So that's about 20, depending on what this is. I don't know if I'll even break even, but this I might just keep because I love Pee-wee's Playhouse. So this is cute as little puppets. I didn't even know they made stuff. So it says each Pee-wee's Playhouse reaction figure comes with a cut-out play set piece. So I guess once you collect, if you collect all of them, if you're into that, then it makes the whole play set. So, I mean, that's cool, but it's very random, very odd. If I was going to pick who I would want, I love the Cherry. That's funny. And then John B., who was the comedian. He passed away. John, oh gosh, his last name escapes my mind. Is it Paragon? I believe it's John Paragon. He was a great comedian. He passed away like last year, I think during COVID, or the year before. I can't remember. But that was really sad. I loved his character, the genie, Jambi. So, but yeah, these are cute. These are cute little things. So really, that's it. It seems like kind of high for not much. I don't think the value is there for this box. The last one, I knew what I was getting, and it was If you haven't seen that video, it's in my list of videos. And it's only like 3 or 4 items also, but there was a big item. It was the Mondo Tiki. And I buy those from the Draft House a lot of times. Those have real good collectability. Sometimes they resell, you know, several times over their initial price. But I also liked it because it was the Lion King and had Uncle Scar. So that's what I ended up getting. So here's the spoiler card. They're saying it's an $18 value. The PBS Playhouse reaction figures. The Moose Ornament, $15 value. I don't think so, but, you know. They're saying $25 on this t-shirt. I mean, t-shirts are a dime a dozen, especially on eBay is where I mostly sell. I may list it there on Poshmark, but that's just a cheap shirt. To me, I'll be happy if I get 10 bucks plus shipping. Geekfuel crew socks. And they came with like little 3D glasses, so I was trying to figure out, is there something more to it? I'm trying to see. Don't Feed After Midnight. Well, we listen and now we present our exclusive Don't Feed After Midnight crew socks, so grab your 3D glasses. I think it's just to go along with the theme of, like, you know, that style. So there you have it. That is very anticlimactic. not the best box. I've definitely gotten better boxes in the past, but you know, you can't judge it on one. If you're interested in it, if you like these things, then that's probably a decent value for you. If you like the shirt, you know, if I was buying the shirt for myself, I would think 15, 20 bucks is a good value for it. But to sell it, it's not that high. So, I mean, I think you'd get your money's worth if these were things that you wanted. They're kind of random, so I don't think they necessarily go together. And it's after Christmas, so nobody's really thinking so much about it. But that is what it is. So, yeah, it's okay. I mean, I'm definitely going to be reselling most of these items, if not all of them. So nothing in here that really grabs me other than the PB's Playhouse. I think it's cute, but I need another collection. Like I need to hold another one. So I've got plenty of stuff. So anywho, thank you guys for watching. If this is your first time here, I do have a couple of other mystery box unboxings. Generally, my channel is focused on jewelry. Costume jewelry, vintage, designer. I try to do hauls and lots unboxings on that. I will do some hard goods here and there. I do have some other mystery boxes coming also. So if you like that kind of video or information, then, you know, I would ask if you would subscribe to my channel, if you could give it a thumbs up. Give it a like. I appreciate that. It helps get my videos out. So I'm a small channel just struggling trying to get my numbers up. So I appreciate you guys being here. I hope that you had a great New Year and that everyone is happy and safe and healthy. And I will be back with probably a jewelry haul on my next video. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.